Command guard पर 8 officer, 1 NGO और 94 other ranks. Guard निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है. हिम्मत.
Forest there.
Because of British forest, geographical condition of so minerals are leaching. What's that? So what did we do? We analyzed all the plants because there how much quantity of methane it is the mean of this mineral. About 300 plants we analyzed about their mineral content. Then accordingly we use some natural binder, tapioca. We use tapioca powder and accordingly we prepared this mineral mixture block.
Honorable Vice President and other dignitaries. Next, Shri Jagdish Mukhi, Governor of Nagaland. Next, Shri Y. Patan, Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland. Now I request Dr. Nazrul Haq to kindly felicitate.
Sir, ICR Research Complex, ICR National Research Center on Mithun was established in the year 1988 under the aegis of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Government of India. The institute had 2 campuses. The main campus is located here at Mezifema in Dimapur district, and the other campus is located at Porwa village in the Phek district of Nagaland. It is the only research organization in the world exclusively working for the continual improvement and conservation of Mithun since last 3 decades. The institute has generated invaluable scientific data towards the understanding of this unique species and developed several packages of practices and technologies. And its mandate of this institute is identification, evaluation and characterization of Mithun germplasm available in the country, conservation and improvement of Mithun for meat and milk, to act as a repository of germplasm of information center for Mithun.
ICR Research Complex for NESC Jan Nagaland Center was established in 1979. Presently, this center is having 5 Krishi Vigyan Kendras located across the state. We are dealing with almost all the aspects of agriculture and allied activities, including agriculture, horticulture, fishery, livestock, as well as other activities related to agriculture and allied field. And so far, considering the different location-specific climate variability, we have developed the 5 agro-integrated farming system models, and which we have been demonstrated in the state, as well as we have done a lot of work on rainwater harvesting and its efficient utilization through micro-irrigation, because although this state is receiving more than 1500 millimeter of rainfall annually, but during the post-rainy season there is acute crisis of soil moisture. Therefore, we are emphasizing more on rainwater harvesting as well as its efficient utilization. Considering the vulnerability of this state in regards to the natural resource degradation, we have developed the conservation agricultural practices for rice and maize-based cropping system, being rice and maize are the major cereal crop grown in the state. Considering the strength of the horticultural crop, we have been trying to develop the commodity village, and accordingly in the entire state, with our all KVKs, we are trying to popularize the commodity village concept in terms of food production, and the state is at present is surplus in fruits and vegetable production.
I am very much pleased to be with all of you today. This ICAR National Research Center on Mithun, the only center in the entire world. So this is very important that way. for the development of Mithun, which is endemic to the northeastern states of India. I'm happy to know that the Institute have been playing a key role for the past 3 decades in the conservation, breeding, nutrition, and health management of Mithun, which is also known as the cattle of mountain. It has also generated invaluable scientific data towards the understanding of this unique species. Much has been explained about the population here in different states. I'm told along with India, China also has this population. But we are taking lead in doing research about this special animal. The northeastern region, friends, is one of the richest biomes of the world. It contains a vast area of bioresources. 2 days ago in Imphal, I was with scientists in a bioresource laboratory learning about the research on herbal plants. Today I am with you all in a pioneering livestock research station. Protecting, enriching northeast bioresources should be the top priority for the Institute. For ensuring prosperity of the people and creating a healthier planet. I'm happy to know that the Nagaland cabinet has approved to take this animal as a friendly food item also, and further research will make us to understand what are the other benefits of this animal. It is very interesting to see and to hear and then go through the slides that have been there to know much about the Institute, and also I am happy that I was able to hear the report of the ICAR Center in Nagaland about their activities also. I convey my best wishes to all the scientists and other technical people who are working here. Such institutes are very much required, and that too, and it's an institute first of its kind in the world. The world center. So we should focus more attention and come out with more research and information. Once again, I wish you all the best in the future for future innovations and findings. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.